Hello guys, this is Dylan from Steadman, and basically what I had done in the last episode was that I was able to get the save button working, so be able to save your image once you have finished your drawing. So I'm just going to do Ctrl S, now I can do F5, yes I will indeed do that. Now we can load it up as a Python file, and what I basically done was that we can still do everything we want, such as coloring some stuff, so we can change it to like a greenish color, and now we can hold on, sorry. Now we can just start drawing on it, like this, and then now we can even make it bigger in size if we wanted to, just like this, and this will basically make it go bigger in size. I've done this because I want people to be able to change the brush size if they truly wanted to, so this is what we'll be able to do within this software. So yeah, I was trying to get for save button working, and I kind of did. So if we go to save button, then you'll see a screen like this. On these file types, you're going to see PNG as a file support, but I don't have that enabled just yet. So it's able to get it working kind of, but if you search typing in this .png, then you guys will see that it did do it, but there is just a white background, so I'm going to have to fix that. But I kind of got this working, and this is basically an update video. We can still do any drawings you want, so we can still put down a smiley face if we truly wanted to, just like this. So you guys can basically still draw on it if you guys wanted to. But I'm going to try to get that save button to work, and then once I have done with the save button, then I'm going to release it as 1.0 version of it, and it'll be released on Linux and FreeBSD, but I'm currently still trying to get the save button to work right now. So yeah, this is currently what I'm working on right now, is this painting software. I did a video about it yesterday, but I just want to give you guys an update about the software that I've updated for a save button, but it doesn't work completely well just yet. So this is going to be completely free and open source, so you guys can give me some feedback. I can just scroll down for code, and you guys probably can give me some feedback on how I can improve on it. So this is the entire source code. It is completely free and open source. And I just want to say, guys, thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe. And yeah, guys, I hope to see you guys later. Bye bye.